morning, bachcho. This question related to ionic equilibrium was asked in JEE Mains 2020. That is for a reaction x plus y gives 2z, 1 mole of x, 1.5 mole of y, and 0.5 mole of z were taken in a 1 liter vessel and allowed to react. At equilibrium, the concentration of z was 1 mole per liter. The equilibrium constant for the reaction is. तो ये जो रिएक्शन हमें दी है दैट इज x प्लस वाई गिव्स 2z. दिस इज ए रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन. और जो इनिशियल मोल्स हमने दिए हैं दैट इज 1 मोल ऑफ x and 1.5 mole of y and 0.5 mole of z. So they are given to us at time t equal to 0, and at equilibrium suppose n moles of x are reacted, so we will left with 1 minus n moles of x and 1.5 minus n moles of y, because for each mole of x 1 mole of y will react, and for 1 mole of x 2 moles of z are formed, so we will get 0.5 plus 2n. So that is the number of moles at equilibrium. और हमें दिया हुआ है concentration of z at equilibrium is 1 mole per liter, so we can say that 0.5 plus 2n is equal to 1, or we can say that 2n is equal to 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5, so n will be equal to 0.25, that is nothing but 1 by 4. So value of n is 1 by 4. तो अब हमें equilibrium concentration of x will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Concentration of y at equilibrium will be 1.5, that is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that will be equal to 5 by 4. Okay, and concentration of z at equilibrium is nothing but 0.5 plus 2n, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 into n, that is 1 by 4, that is equal to 1. So ये सब की इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन आ गई है. तो अब हम इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट निकाल सकते हैं. इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन इज नथिंग बट k इक्वल टू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ z स्क्वायर अपॉन x इंटू y एट इक्विलिब्रियम. ऑल आर द इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशंस. तो z की जगह हम रख देंगे 1 square, that is 1 upon x. X is 3 by 4 and y is 5 by 4. So this will be 16 by 15. So our answer is 16. Thank you and wish you all the best.